Livermore ground, 739 Tango Whiskey, clear of 25 left, that's good back, request taxi back.
739 Tango Whiskey, Livermore ground, runway 25 left, taxi via Lima, Charlie.
Taxiing 25 left via Lima, Charlie.
Very left.
This is 700, cross runway 25 right at Charlie, then taxi via Juliet.
25 right, crossing 25 right at Charlie, and then taxiing Juliet.
Contact approach 123.85, good day.
23.85. Approach 35206, we have the 1 minute weather for Columbia.
Skylane 206, roger.
Flowery traffic November 35206, crossing over midfield to enter the 45 for the downwind of runway 17.
And Columbia traffic, 9er Zulu, Bravo, trying. Columbia traffic, 9er Zulu, Bravo, turn right, cross 117, Columbia.
Joker, Skylane 613 Alpha, request taxi side and open to running right at Doctor. Radar exit final and full stop. We have the information November.
Delta 960 Alpha, roger, maintain VFR flighting 220 sectors to final. And I may need to give you a box pad once you're closer to the final for the sequence. There is a heavy Boeing 767 inbound from the southeast that's much faster than you.
Roger, 220 and expect sequence for radar. 617.
Skylane 206 radar service instrument is about VFR frequency change approved.
Traffic, 9er Zulu, Bravo, midfield, right down 117, Columbia.
Well, traffic, Mooney, 1 Lima Mike, right base, 16, McClellan.